Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Make It Make. I wanted to make this video. I'm going to try to be as quick and short as possible. But I think I wanted to share with you guys what's kind of happening in my channel and why I disabled all of the comments for my Amish series and anything that is considered rebel canning. I did it just because the comments that I'm getting and the feel of my channel, I feel like is shifting to where I don't want it to go. When I started this channel, I just felt like I was just so full of life and just really wanted to teach people what brought me so much joy, and really wanted to just inspire people to bring good foods into their homes. Sorry if you hear water running. I'm in my basement. And I feel like ever since I released the Amish canning video, especially the first one, my channel's sort of taken a negative turn, and I've become apparently like the rebel canner YouTuber, and that's not what I want. It's never what I wanted. What I wanted for my channel was to give people options and to just and I was always very clear from the beginning, very, very clear that the Amish canning was never USDA approved. It was never NCHFP approved. I was always very honest with those things. But I wanted to give people options to be able to say, it's your kitchen, your rules, you decide on whether or not this is good for you. But it's getting to the point now where, you know, I have some people threatening my channel, and just so many other things that I've lost a lot of sleep over. And it's too much for me. I just can't deal with it. I prayed about it a lot. And so I'm just going to take a break from the rebel canning or the Amish series as far as the canning goes. I am going to continue, especially next month, to really focus on some Amish meals. And I think that would be good for now. It's not that I'm giving up. I think I'm just taking a break from it. And I just want to say that if you do follow me, please know that my intention is just to give options. I mean, it's YouTube. I'm going to get something. You know, people aren't going to like everything I do, and that's completely fine. I understand that. But my intentions, nobody can tell me what they are. All I can do is communicate that to you, is that I've always just wanted to give you options. I'm never gonna lie. I did have somebody say that these aren't Amish recipes. They absolutely are. I mean, I have no other place to get them than from the Amish or from a Benton Dent store. I'm like looking here because every book that Susie gave me, I've had to copy because I didn't know where else to get it. This one here, this is the copies that I made from the book that she gave me. So, I mean, and here's the, you know, other one. Again, copies. I had to because she said, you know, she didn't know if they had it in any of the Amish stores anymore. So there's that. But I just, you know, wanted to say giving it a break for a little bit. I'm trying to figure out a way that I can emotionally handle things and still be able to bring the content that I love to you guys, so that I love and believe in so much. And I also want to say that I'm very respectful to whatever it is you decide to do. If you are a strict USDA canner, I think that's great. If you are someone who questions it and decides to rebel can because you feel safe with that, then that's fine. There's no need to come onto anybody's channel. And believe me, I am not the only YouTuber that is rebel canning. There are so many. I guess I kind of questioned why my channel, why has it come like really hard for me. I have my suspicions, but there's really nothing I can do about it. But either way, be kind to each other. There's no need to argue about it. Some people really do have valid questions, and that's okay. And I think it's fine for people to jump in and talk about it and have adult conversations without, belittling other people, without disrespecting the way that they feel safe in their kitchen. I just think it's always a good thing, guys, to be able to be polite, agree to disagree, if you will. I don't see how in any way kindness can't be a good thing, can't be a good resolve. But either way, just taking a little bit of a break just from the Amish canning and just focus a little more on some meals. I do have some other things coming up for you guys as well. I hope that you guys understand, and as always, take care, and as always, God bless.